The suspect demonstrates his degree of suspicion in this
Working.
To clarify the suspect's wrongdoing. Overruling yourself, the truth will soon be revealed.
Sorry, babe, I have something against her.
will always be my number one priority. Under the circumstances, Rebecca.
And I called, and it was like lady or woman or
Cheater's licensed investigator. Cheater's unit set up outside the restaurant the suspect manages, hoping to shed some light on the case. Moments later, the suspect approaches the mysterious female to inquire about service, trash, and then walks his companion to her vehicle. Standing next to her car, the suspect shows a chivalrous nature as he kisses his companion's hand goodbye. The vehicles arrive at a restaurant known for its eclectic nature.
Alright, what are you doing?
Once again, his vehicle. Upon arrival, the suspect gives his companion a hug and a kiss. He slides inside her car. The suspect then leans in from her window and gives Becky a goodnight kiss.
Place of employment. On this occasion, we notice there's a young lady sitting out. Her husband joins her in a car to her vehicle. Difficult to see, but as they looks like he gives her a kiss on the hand. The same vehicle from the previous evening. Your husband was able to go inside together. They bid, and then he goes back to work. This time they spend a moment or two together.
What are you doing in here?
Huh?
Who's she?
There's
Tell me.
No.
Who is that? Hey. Come here.
Pregúntale.
Who are you? What's your name?
Coming up.
What's your name? Stop. Hey, me, you know he's married?
No.
He has 4 kids. Hey, what's that? It's your friend.
Pregúntale.
Okay.
How did you meet this gentleman? Here's the-
Pregúntale pues, si ya
Has this gentleman told you that he was married?
no, never has.
Trabajo, ¿por qué no vas para la casa? Porque tienes que venir con una.
It's highly based on my.
Like, no way, I'm stop pretending.
in South Africa. We acted together on a popular film. So did we. Most of the trouble. It's Norman!
para el AME. Incapaces de todo. Nada. Ojalá los primeros 20 minutos en la América fue mejor, ¿eh? Casi cumplidos. Duro recuerdo al centenario.
Ganando mejor de Liga MX. Ahora grita, celebras, revive la emoción de...
Cuéntame.
Vamos con esos oponentes. Y saliendo aquí tenemos a la noche a de 5. Rafael, ahí el modelo. En este nuevo tema de un empate. 28 años. Entonces, esto es de 5 libras.
Ryan Coleman permite que Owen Clark puño directamente al área del resto para bajarle la humanidad, señores. Pero entra y sale dentro de la zona de combate Ryan Coleman. Minutos para que finalice esta segunda ronda, señores. Incorpora para Owen Clark. Owen Clark de posición entre lado a lado.
Pick a weapon one, dude.
Music grade.
Anytime.
But see this.
Big grandma.
You're welcome.